7th Avenue. Mr. Raphael Ramirez is home. We're going to do an attempt to repair on this crease shingle right here. Careful. Yeah, there's a ledge. Through. Just ripping.
Hope the camera can appreciate how crunchy that sounds.
Now let's damage the shingle right here. See it. You can see it tore right here. See? It tears all the way up here and through this side.
It's ripped apart. This just went straight through it.
Popped up. See? And now this went straight through it.
I'm hoping you can tell.
It's brittle. This one's actually better than the other ones. This one ripped more than the actual shingle that we're trying to replace. The shingles around it, trying to take it off, has received more damage than the one that we actually taken off. As you can see, it's pretty brittle. It's a pretty brittle state.